Hi, I'm Rebecca and I'm studying chemistry at UEA. I chose chemistry because I enjoyed it in school, the fun practical side and the logical problem-solving side. I wanted a career where I could make a difference in the world. I picked UEA for their science reputation, but after visiting the campus, it was so peaceful and beautiful, I immediately decided this was the right place. In first year, we had up to 7 hours of lab time a week, so this really helps you feel confident and proficient in the lab. The teaching labs felt like the perfect step between chemistry at A-level and independent lab work. The instructions are always very clear, and there's equipment demonstration videos if you need to refresh your memory. Lecturers and demonstrators are around to help in the lab too, whether that's to check over a calculation or that the reaction setup looks good, or just to answer general chemistry questions. By second year, sometimes lab sessions are designed to work more independently, so this really helps you take ownership of your own lab work. You get to experiment with lots of different chemicals from all sides of chemistry, so organic reactions with big setups and lots of glassware, to physical reactions with more precise technical work and instruments. The UEA Career Central team helped me land my placement year at Makevale in Hertfordshire, a small polymer company specialising in casting, cosmetics and dentistry. I worked on a UV curable 3D print polymer resin for dentures, competing with leading companies in the market. It was great to try new things. I could ask to have a go at new procedures or use spectrometers to further my chemistry skills. When I see equipment for the first time now, I understand how it works. Now in my masters, the labs have helped me gain confidence, independence, and the skills to become a project manager. I take part in weekly group meetings with PhD students and their supervisors, and I'm gaining skills that will be instrumental for my future. One of the best things is the staff to student ratio. I feel like the lecturers really know me, and there's always someone to help. I've gotten to know different lecturers over the years, so it's that personal approach and that community feel. And it's not just the academics too. I picked up lacrosse here. I made some really good friends through that. I also love walks around the Broad because everything is here. It's just such a beautiful campus. I always wanted to make a difference and have an impact. If there's one thing I would tell my past self, it would be to not stress so much figuring out the future right away. I picked a subject I enjoyed, and now I know there's a future in that. I'm glad to have experienced university at UEA. I wouldn't have changed a thing.